Ito na yon yung day na inantay natin ng matagal, yung dream nating dalawa. I hope na sa pag-step natin ng bagong journey natin together, mas masayain, mas marami pang taon na magkasama tayo.
Mami, maraming salamat sa malawak na pangunawa, unang-una. Pangalawa sa pag-stay, no? Dahil up and downs, nandyan tayo. Maraming salamat din kasi dinala mo yung dalawang anak natin. And napakalaking bagay noon para sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita.
The primary role of a husband in a marriage is to love his wife. In what way, Cheryl? Unconditionally and unselfishly. So no matter what the background of your bride or your wife, tanggap mo siya dahil mahal mo siya bilang iyong asawa.
Alam mo, te, papalagang ko yan. I know, right? One.
Ready, 1, 2, go! Thank you. Ang mabait ninyo. Paano mo nalaman wala kaming sa class?
Shisha ball. Yes, sir. Brr, brr.
Will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us.
Ibig sabihin, pag minahal mo ang iyong mapapangasawa si Kiara Nicole, buong lahat ibigay mo sa kanya, sa suporta, ibabalik na yung asawa, yung pagmamahal na para sa iyo.
When the morning breaks, we won't hesitate. It's the first day, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here.
Par, napanood ko na to, par. Uy, buti. To my man, my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. This is to remind you, nagpaalala pa, to always cherish the time that we have together. Wear this as a symbol of our precious moment. Every second counts. See you later, I love you.
Dear Mommy, alam ko lagi kong sinasabi sa lahat na pangarap mo ako at tinutupad ko lang. Pero yung totoo kasi niyan, pangarap ko din to, yung tayo, ikaw at ang mga bata. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Salamat sa mahabang pangunawa sa akin at sa mga bata. Araw-araw kayo ang pipiliin. Palaging kayo, palaging tayo. Daddy. Na yon yung day na inantay natin ng matagal, yung dream nating dalawa. I hope na sa pag-step natin ng bagong journey natin together, mas masayain, mas marami pang taon na magkasama tayo. Ayun lang, I love you. I will see you soon.
Yeah, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here.
Now, Kiara Nicole, they take Sergio to be your lovely wedded husband, to have to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer and for poor, in sickness and in health, to love, to cherish, to death, to be part.
Our story starts here. Our story starts here. starts here.
Wala talaga akong ibang masasabi kundi magmahalan kayo.
Iwasan nyo lang yung magkaroon ng sumbatan para hindi kayo magkaroon ng kahit anong hindi pagkakaintindihan.
We fight, it all becomes so clear.
Pledging their sincere promise to each other, and by the virtue of the authority vested upon me, by the Church and by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you husband and wife.